In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your design in Canva. We'll walk through this together from the moment you open Canva, so even if you're brand new to the platform, you'll be able to follow along easily. Go ahead and open your web browser and head over to the Canva website, then log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Canva homepage, the first thing you want to do is look for the main button that lets you start a project. This is usually labeled Create, Dinner, or something similar, and it's often found near the top of the screen. Click on this button. Think of it as telling Canva, I'm ready to start working on something new. This is your starting point for any design, whether you're uploading something you already made or building it from scratch. After you click on Create, you'll see a few different options. Here, you want to look specifically for the option that says Upload. Go ahead and click on Upload. This is the feature that lets you bring files from your computer or device into Canva, so you can use your existing designs, images, or graphics inside a new Canva project. Once you select Upload, Canva will guide you through a few simple on-screen prompts. At this stage, you'll usually see a file picker window open. Navigate through your folders and find the design file you want to upload. This might be a JPEG, PNG, PDF, or another supported format. Click on your file and confirm your selection. Canva will then start uploading it. Depending on your internet speed and the file size, this might take a few moments, so just wait until the upload finishes. You'll typically see a small preview or thumbnail appear in your uploads area when it's done, confirming that your design is now available in Canva. Once your design has successfully uploaded, you're ready for the final step, turning that upload into an actual canvas you can edit. Look for the option that says Create New Design and click on it. By doing this, you're telling Canva to open a fresh design space where you can place and work with your uploaded file. After it opens, you can drag your uploaded design onto the canvas, resize it, add text, elements, or any other edits you want. And that's it, you've uploaded your design into Canva and created a new design ready for customization.